It's a real estate company, and we are into infrastructure as well as the hotels industry. So as on date, we have completed so many projects in Twin Cities, in Hyderabad and Secunderabad area. We are having two projects ongoing, which is in Moti Nagar. Project name is Brindavanam. Another project is Kondapur, which is in Shantiniketan is the project name. So these two projects are gated community. It's our apartments. So and anything else you want to know about my company? It's existing from 1996, and it's a partnership firm. And for this, is the major shareholder is Mr. Yaram Vijay Kumar. Under him, we are working. So this is what about the company. See, it's a gated community means all the facilities will provide to our customers. It's a gated community. Will have our customers will enjoy the swimming pool, gym, everything in that to multi-purpose function hall. Provision for crutch will be there. Library will be there. Everything. Most of the as much as whatever the customer is expecting from builder. Everything we are providing. So it's totally depends on the customer to customer, their budget and their locality and all these things. See, most of the IT people prefer in the Gachibowli, High Tech City and Kondapur area. And some other people who working for some other organizations, some other companies, those who are looking for middle, let's say lower middle level. So those who are looking for in Moti Nagar, SR Nagar, in that locality. The major. It totally depends on the customer choice and everything. If people are staying in Amirpet or something, and if the children working for IT companies, so those people are looking for a nearby IT hub, right? So it's like that. You can't say that actual major, all people are doing well, all real estate companies are doing well. See, if you see in Maheshwaram also, Ramki people are constructing, they are doing well. If we are into center of the heart of the IT hub, still we are also doing well. Some other companies, they are constructing nearby Kompally also, so they are also doing well. So it totally depends on the customer. It's not like that the budget in that locality, the preference. It totally depends on the individual. Project we are quoting is 3,700. For exhibition offer, we are offering 2 lakhs worth Italian modular kitchen we are offering for our customers. And for Moti Nagar project, 4,400 we are quoting. We did 2 projects of villas. One is at Boinpalli. The name of the project is Luxury Greens. And independent houses we are constructed in Tirmalgiri and Vikrampur area. So we are into commercials also. If you see in Kukatpalli, South India Shopping Mall is our own building. Yeah, and in Amirpet we have constructed one project, which is a project name is Imperial Towers, just adjacent to Aditya Enclave. Jubilee Hills Nakshatra is the building name. That is also us. We are into commercials also. We are into hotels. And if you say in Park Lane, Secunderabad, the Grand Solitaire Hotel is ours. And Himayat Nagar, the Pebbles, that hotel is also ours. So we are into commercials, we are into residential, we are into infrastructure, we are into hotels. So it's a good company. It's a great industry will come here. That is for sure. See, some people are creating that hype. They are creating that already Telangana is decided. Now this will come down. Okay, market will come down. Most of the people will divert and they'll invest in some other places. See, now you are working here. You are staying here in Hyderabad. You are looking for a home, your dream home. Where do you invest? First, you want one home, right? Your dream home. See, if you are staying in your own house, then you are looking for investments, right? It's present scenario if you see. And one more thing, I like to tell you, I am not criticizing about any Andhra people or anyone. See, I am not basically from Andhra or Telangana. I am from Bombay. First thing. Second thing is that, see, the availability, or if you say the demand is not full-fledged. So demand is for 2,000 houses. The people are only constructing 1,000. Again, the requirement of 1,000 houses is there. For example, I am giving you. So there is a huge requirement in this industry. People are, first of all, they want to prefer their own requirements. Then they will see for another investments. See, least bothered about, see, if you are from some other Andhra or from Telangana, whatever, or from other states, now you are working here. Okay, instead of paying rents, if you are able to, if you stretch for another 4,000-5,000 rupees in a month, if you are getting a home, your dream home, what you will do? Right? You will purchase your dream home, first of all. Then you will go for another investments. This is what. So market now, everyone is talking about market will fall down, market will go slow, everything. But I don't think so. He approached me, and he is saying that in Vijayawada, the person is having some 6,000 square yards. Okay, so he wants to give for development. He himself only he approached us. So definitely, if market is good, see, we are the business people. See, our main motto will be, as soon as possible we have to complete the project with all fruits, all amenities, everything. So people will enjoy the happily. They fulfill their dreams. That is our main motto of our company. Some other company are facing the challenges but we are into prime locations as of now. So we don't facing any challenges. We are getting good leads. We are getting good inquiries. We are getting good customers. As a customer also, I don't think so. It's not any difficult. It's not a challenge here. See, if I am a person, if I want to purchase a home for myself, for my family, I will see first of all in which location and what is my budget. Is it a gated community? Is it a secure place for my family? First of all, I will see this. Afterwards, I will see the politician views and all these things. First of all, I want to require my family to be a safe position, safe place. This is what my requirement. Everyone recognized about this property show, and people also trusted this property show. People will come. Definitely, they want to know about what is happening in the industry, and which are the projects located in the nearby locality. See, you don't know. Suddenly, if you ask anyone, see, if you are staying in a Motinagar, do you know about my project? Some people are in the same locality. One person staying from so long years, but he doesn't know. Right. So with the help of this kind of a property shows, people will came to know that in the particular location there is a project, and who are the builders. Say, as if now already we got 100 footfalls, already 100 inquiries, not 100 footfalls. To my stall, 100. Yeah, I'm specifically. So another next 2 days, day after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, I'm expecting more. At least I'm expecting 500 to 600. Definitely will come.